For generations, the knowledge of the earth's natural pharmacy was passed down from elders to the youth. Today, much of that wisdom has been forgotten, dismissed as mere weeds in our backyards. But beneath our feet lies a powerful collection of healing plants. In this documentary, we will rediscover 20 medicinal plants that are likely growing right now in your own garden or local fields. We begin with the dandelion. While often treated as a nuisance in a perfectly manicured lawn, the Taraxacum officinale is one of nature's most complete tonics. Its history as a medicinal staple dates back over 3,000 years. The thick taproot is a potent liver and gallbladder stimulant, helping the body process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. The leaves are a powerful natural diuretic. Unlike pharmaceutical options, they are exceptionally high in potassium, ensuring the body maintains a healthy mineral balance during detoxification. Even the flowers have value, containing lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for maintaining eye health as we age. Truly, no part of this plant is without purpose. Next is the plantain, often called the band-aid of the woods. This resilient plant thrives in compacted soil and is found along nearly every path. Plantain contains aucubin and allantoin, compounds that stimulate cell growth and tissue repair. It is nature's primary remedy for insect bites, stings, and minor skin abrasions. When taken internally as a tea, its high mucilage content provides a soothing coating for the digestive and respiratory tracts, easing irritation from coughs or digestive upset. Its safety and versatility make it an essential first aid plant for any gardener. It is a humble reminder that healing is often just a step away. The low-growing chickweed is our third entry. It is easily identified by its small, white, star-shaped flowers and its preference for cool, damp environments. Rich in saponins, chickweed acts like a natural detergent within the body, helping to break down unwanted fatty deposits and supporting healthy lymphatic drainage. Topically, it is a cooling herb, traditionally used in salves to treat hot skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and itchy rashes, providing immediate relief from inflammation. Beyond medicine, it is highly nutritious, providing a mild, pea-like flavor and a wealth of vitamins A, D, and C to your spring salads. Despite its formidable sting, the nettle is perhaps the most nutritionally dense plant on our list. It is a true powerhouse of minerals and vitamins. The sting is caused by formic acid and histamine. Ironically, once dried or cooked, the plant becomes a potent natural antihistamine, often used to treat seasonal allergies. It is exceptionally rich in iron and vitamin K, making it a traditional remedy for anemia and for purifying the blood after a long, dormant winter. For the elderly, nettle tea is often recommended to support joint health and reduce the symptoms of arthritis due to its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Yarrow, or Achillea millefolium, is named after the Greek hero Achilles. It has been used for millennia as a premier wound-healing herb on the battlefield. It contains the alkaloid acylene, which has the remarkable ability to stop bleeding quickly, making it an essential plant for stopping external hemorrhages and minor cuts. Internally, yarrow is a diaphoretic. It helps the body break a fever by inducing sweating while simultaneously cooling the core temperature, a vital tool during flu season. Its bitter compounds also stimulate digestion, making a small cup of tea before meals helpful for those with sluggish digestive systems or poor appetite. Burdock is best known for its sticky burrs, but its true power lies deep underground. The long taproot is a master blood purifier in the herbal world. By supporting the liver and kidneys in their natural waste elimination processes, burdock root helps clear chronic skin conditions like acne and boils from the inside out. It is rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which is foundational for a strong immune system and overall vitality. In many cultures, burdock is also a culinary staple, prized for its earthy, nutty flavor and its ability to fortify the body's natural defenses. Found growing in the hottest parts of the garden, purslane is an incredible source of nutrition. It contains more omega-3 fatty acids than many fish oils. These essential fats are critical for heart health and brain function, especially as we age. Purslane is also packed with vitamins E, C, and beta-carotene. Historically, it was used to treat digestive issues and as a general anti-inflammatory. Its cooling nature makes it a perfect addition to a summer diet. Next time you see this weed in your garden, remember that you are looking at one of the world's most nutrient-dense greens ready to be harvested. Cleavers, also known as goosegrass or sticky willy, is the primary herb for the lymphatic system. Its tiny hooked hairs allow it to cling to everything it touches. Macro shot of the round, prickly seed pods of cleavers. It is traditionally used to move a stagnant lymphatic system, helping to drain toxins and reduce swollen glands or water retention in the legs. Many herbalists recommend a cold infusion of fresh cleavers as a gentle spring tonic, helping the body shed the congestion accumulated during the winter months. Its ability to clear the skin and support kidney function makes it a vital part of any natural detoxification protocol, working quietly but effectively. Mullein is easily recognized by its tall flower stalk and its thick, velvety leaves, which feel like flannel. It is the premier herb for lung health. The leaves contain mucilage, which soothes irritated respiratory membranes, and saponins, which help break up and expel deep-seated mucus from the lungs. Mullein flower oil is a traditional remedy for earaches and infections. When infused with garlic, it becomes a powerful natural treatment for stubborn ear pain. For those with chronic respiratory issues or a lingering cough, mullein tea provides a gentle, effective way to clear the airways and breathe easier. Appropriately named self-heal or heal-all, this small member of the mint family has a long history of use for almost any ailment imaginable. Modern research has confirmed its potent antiviral and antibacterial properties, particularly its ability to inhibit the replication of various viral strains. Historically, it was a staple in wound drinks and was used topically to stop bleeding and speed up the healing of cuts and scrapes on the skin. It is also a gentle eye wash for irritation. Self-heal is a true testament to the abundance of medicine that nature provides freely in our fields. Red clover is more than just a common field legume. It is a significant source of isoflavones, which act as phytoestrogens in the human body. This makes it a popular natural treatment for balancing hormones and easing the symptoms associated with the aging process in both men and women. It is also revered as a blood purifier, helping to clear chronic skin conditions and act as a mild expectorant for those with persistent spasmodic coughs. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C, red clover is a gentle but effective tonic that supports overall vitality and long-term health. Yellow dock is recognized by its curly leaves and its distinctive, rusty-colored seeds in late summer. Its primary medicine is found in its bright yellow root. The root is rich in anthraquinones, which act as a gentle laxative by stimulating the release of bile and supporting regular bowel function. It is uniquely known for its ability to help the body absorb and utilize iron more effectively, making it a key ingredient for those struggling with low iron levels. By supporting both the liver and the digestive tract, yellow dock helps to clear the blood and improve skin health, truly earning its place in the gardener's pharmacy. Named for its unique heart-shaped pods that resemble old leather pouches, shepherd's purse is a master at stopping internal and external bleeding. Macro shot of the tiny, delicate white flowers clustered at the very tip of a shepherd's purse flower stalk. As a tea, it is used to manage heavy internal bleeding and to support a healthy circulatory system, especially in those with fragile blood vessels. This common weed is a powerful reminder that sometimes the most effective medicine is the most unassuming plant growing right at our feet. Mugwort, or Artemisia vulgaris, is a tall, silvery-backed herb with a long history in both Western and Eastern medicine as a digestive and nervous system tonic. Its bitter compounds stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making it a perfect remedy for bloating, gas, and poor absorption of nutrients. It is also known as a dream herb, traditionally used to promote vivid and insightful dreams when placed near the pillow or taken as a mild infusion before bed. Mugwort's warming nature helps to move stagnant energy in the body, providing a sense of calm and groundedness during times of stress. Succulent, translucent green stems and bright orange spotted flowers of jewelweed growing near a stream. A male hand crushing a jewelweed stem to release the clear, watery juice. The stems contain lawsone, a compound that chemically neutralizes the urushiol oil found in poison ivy. Macro shot of a jewelweed seed pod exploding when touched. It is also highly effective for soothing bee stings, mosquito bites, and other skin irritations. Keeping a bit of jewelweed juice in your freezer is a smart way to ensure you have this natural skin healer ready all year round. Wild lettuce, often called opium lettuce, contains a white, milky latex that has been used for centuries as a mild sedative and pain reliever. While it contains no actual opiates, it possesses compounds that act on the nervous system to ease pain, reduce anxiety, and promote restful sleep. In the 19th century, it was a common substitute for stronger painkillers when a gentler, non-addictive effect was required for chronic discomfort. For those struggling with insomnia or muscular tension, a small amount of wild lettuce can provide the relaxation needed for a deep and restorative rest. Motherwort, whose Latin name cardiaca means for the heart, is a powerful ally for both the physical and emotional heart. It is traditionally used to calm heart palpitations and lower blood pressure that is caused by anxiety or emotional distress, acting as a gentle sedative. Herbalists often describe it as providing a mother's hug, helping to ease tension and bring a sense of calm to a frayed nervous system. Whether for physical cardiovascular support or emotional resilience, Motherwort remains one of the most trusted herbs in the traditional healer's kit. Ground ivy, also known as creeping Charlie, was the primary flavoring for beer before hops. Today, it is used primarily for the upper respiratory system. It is an excellent anticatarrhal, meaning it helps to dry up chronic congestion in the sinuses, middle ear, and lungs, providing clear breathing. Traditionally, it was used to treat glue ear and chronic sinus issues, helping the body to clear out persistent fluids and reduce inflammation in the head. Its aromatic, slightly minty flavor also makes it a pleasant tea that supports digestive health and eases minor stomach upset. Common mallow is a relative of the marshmallow plant and is equally rich in soothing mucilage. Every part of the plant becomes slippery when crushed. Macro shot of the cheese seed pods of the mallow plant. This mucilage provides a protective coating for the throat and digestive tract. The young leaves and the cheeses, or seed pods, are also highly nutritious and were once a common food source for those living off the land. As a topical poultice, mallow leaves help to draw out inflammation and soothe skin irritations, proving its value as both food and medicine. Finally, we have garlic mustard. Though invasive in many areas, it is a nutritional and medicinal treasure rich in vitamins A and C. Macro shot of a crushed garlic mustard leaf, showing its texture. Historically, its antiseptic properties were used to treat ulcers and gangrene. Eating the fresh leaves provides a peppery, garlic-like boost to the diet, supporting the immune system and providing a wealth of antioxidants. By harvesting this plant, you are not only providing yourself with powerful medicine, but also helping to balance the local ecosystem where it grows. These 20 plants are just the beginning of the journey back to nature's wisdom. Each one carries a legacy of healing that has supported humanity for centuries. As we reclaim this knowledge, we also reclaim a deeper connection to the earth and a greater sense of self-reliance in our own health and well-being. However, safety is paramount. Always be 100% certain of your plant identification before using any wild plant for food or medicine. Consult with a qualified herbalist or medical professional, especially if you are taking pharmaceutical medications, are pregnant, or have underlying health conditions. The earth provides in abundance. May you find health and peace in the simple plants that grow right outside your door. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep the ancient wisdom alive. Until next time.